Hello, and welcome to SaleAssist. In this video, we'll be looking at how to create a SaleAssist API and using it for data retrieval purposes. Let's get started. First, click on API and Webhooks under Settings. Here, give your API key a name. I'm going to call it Test. Add API key. Now, we have the key name, the API key, and the API secret. For security purposes, the API secret will only be shown once. Be sure to download all these details. You can easily do that by clicking on Download API Credentials as just on. Now that we have all the details, what about the URL? To get the URL, go to the Profile menu and click on API Documentation. This is the SaleAssist API documentation. Now suppose I want to get the details for all the meetings for the previous week. I can easily get that by clicking on Get Meetings for previous week. Here on the top right, I have the URL. Now here you would see meeting type. All the meeting types are given here in the center. Conference, webinar, live class, etc. Be sure to change that while making the API call. Now let's make the API call. We will be using Postman for the same. Over here on the Postman, click on Create New, Create Collection. Under Collection, add a request. By default, it would be a GET request. Here, I'm going to post the URL. And I'm going to change the meeting type to Conference. Now, let's get to headers. Here, we'll put all the API details that we got from the page. So, the key name, the API key, and the API secret. Press Send. Here we have all the details for the previous week.